Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
We begin this evening with news on the drought impacting sections of the country. Farmers reeling from the effects of the dry spell are to get help.
The Agriculture Ministry has allocated $90 million to provide support. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green made the revelation in an interview with TVJ News Today. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Earlier this week, the Jamaica Agricultural Society painted a grim picture of the effects of the prevailing drought conditions on the sector. The farmers have been crying out, and the government has responded.
We are allocating $90 million to provide greater support to the farmers. As the drought has spread across more parishes, we have to intensify our support. So we're going to be providing some trucking support, probably about $24 million. We'll go towards trucking. Clearly, part of what we try to do is to build resilience. So we're going to be providing irrigation kits so that people, when they get water, they're able to store it and to use it efficiently. We're also going to be focusing on our livestock farmers.
Things were slowly returning to normal for many of the farmers affected by last November's flooding, but the recent drought conditions have reversed the gains. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green says a drought mitigation and disaster management team has been deployed in the field. He reasons that the situation will require constant monitoring.
As we try to provide the water, as we try to provide greater storage facilities, if the drought persists, it's much more difficult for the farmers to get the yields that they're used to or the yields that they need to be profitable. And you can end up having farmers losing their entire crop, right? And that also goes for livestock farmers in terms of their ability to maintain their animals during the drought period.
Early days yet, but we asked Minister Green whether consumers should expect an increase in food prices.
We're not there as yet. We did see really good production numbers for January and February, especially among our vegetable lines, but it has started to wane, right? When we have droughts of this nature, the vegetable lines, especially our leafy vegetables, are the ones that you get significantly concerned about, right? They depend heavily on access to water and some of our fruits as well. So it's still early days. The team is out in the field assessing. This $90 million we hope will provide some buffer for a number of our farmers and will help them to save those crops and to bring them to term so that our consumers will have it.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.